What's up, guys? Josh Landis here, coming from SoCo Customs. Gonna show you our latest build here. 2018 GMC Denali. Got the Duramax in it, Allison transmission. Got a really nice package on this. Obviously, the Denali package comes with everything GMC has to offer. As you can see here, this is a dual stage pearlescent paint color, which is really cool. We did not do fender flares on this build. This is stance with the Fabtech 6-inch lift. Got some Dirt Logic stuff in the back. Standard shocks and up front. It's a really good lift. We're pretty impressed with it. One of the first ones we've done from Fabtech here at SoCo. Done a Fabtech lift obviously at a different business, but definitely our first Fabtech lift here at SoCo. Because we walk back to the back, you can see the overflow reservoir shocks, the Dirt Logic stuff. Put back in there. It's just a really good look. Awesome ride. Gives you a little bit of gives you a little more travel back there, you know, when you're gonna need it. This truck, we're really happy with the way it turned out. We'll go ahead and look at the wheels that we did. This is a XD 22-inch. It's 22 by 10, -18 offset. Called the Chopstick by KMC Wheels, their XD series. And then we just set it off with some black spike lug nuts. Just a real good look there. It's a two-piece wheel, two-tone wheel, chrome center, and black barrel there for you. Just a really good look. And then that's wrapped in that Toyo MT 37 1250, 22 on this build, 1350. Had to do a ton of bumper work, maybe some cutting, just a little bit more than the customer was wanting to get involved in. So want to keep the ride nice. It's still a good aggressive offset, but nothing too crazy out there for you. But again, Josh Landis coming to you with our latest build here from SoCo Customs. If you guys need anything, reach out to us. We do little builds, big builds, the whole nine. We'll take care of you. Let's talk to you later.